Just Six, what are you doing right now?
I'm trying to disconnect the thing. My car not very good right now. You know?
I don't know what he
Mr.
said.
George,
Mr. George, where you hide this
where you
guy?
hire this guy?
You know good, Mr. George.
No.
No,
How much you pay this guy?
not too much money, Mr. George. Too
You
much
getting
money.
$5 an hour. That's
We're trying to flush Six's brakes, but whoever tightened his
Wait,
wheels
hold on, there you go.
crazy man Luke.
There you go. Go.
just must have used like an air gun or something, cause
I got the wheels turning.
yo,
I'm turning the wheel.
we might have to lower the car. Yeah, we hit it with the impact gun. It just wasn't coming loose.
The wheels turning.
So we got the car on all jack stands. So if we have to lower it, that would
There
suck.
you go.
You got it?
Of course, man. I'm Mr. George. Me hire a good guy.
Okay, all right. So yeah, we're gonna do Six's brakes. We're gonna do, Justin's coming over. We're gonna do his oil, and I think spark plugs or something. I can't remember what else. It's a nice day.
Damn, it's so much easier with this. Though, that strong guy not strong enough. Me stronger.
Bro, Six's whole like interior setup is probably like one of the best setups on an F chassis.
Yeah.
Very, very like, there's a lot to it. The steering wheel with the lights. He's got the 6WD, 6WB. 6WD, is it 6WD or B?
6WB.
B. Cluster, he's got the whole ambient lighting setup. His wheel's turning right now. Yeah, this steering wheel is sick. So, are we recording now?
Yes, sir.
Action. All right, Six didn't do this, and he was asking, so like, why do you have to change your brake fluid? People are gonna correct me down in the comments below, but I don't care. So usually you change your brake fluid because over time water gets in there, and water expands and contracts a lot more easily than just brake fluid, right? And you don't want that. So your car will tell you to change your brake fluid, not because it knows the brake fluid is bad, it does it over intervals. So it doesn't actually know what the brake fluid is like. It's just telling you like over 40,000 miles, change your brake fluid. That's just, or whatever mileage it is. I don't know, it's probably not 40,000. So you can do is get a tool like this for like 10 bucks off Amazon. And what this does is tell you like what % of water you have in your brake fluid.
So you're telling me that all I needed was one of them tools before I spent $100 on oil?
Well, brake fluid.
Brake fluid.
This is your brake fluid reservoir. And sometimes you have to take off this
Yeah,
cap
that thing is
too.
impossible sometimes.
There goes my nail. Who's got good fingers?
No, this guy got freaking hydraulic fingers, man.
Yeah, maybe. Oh my God. Demonetized. You take off that thing, you stick it in. Everything is sus. When you talk about car, why is everything sus? You use your fingers, you take it out, you stick it in, you press it, and then it'll give you a light.
So you go put that battery, or we try to take this out there? Or is it working?
Sure. Yeah, no, let me try to change the battery.
While we do this.
TBD, or no,
What
to
can I
be
use,
continued.
Mario?
I'm supposed to be doing my finals right now, so we need a mental break.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Can you write through 2 essays for me?
I'll help you write it.
You guys think you can write me a good essay?
Me?
Yeah, essay.
Ese,
Let's get to work.
¿Qué pasa, Ese? What's going on, Ese?
You're knocking things down. Stop trying to knock on the car.
What are you guys recording?
We're just giving you bloopers.
Oh, nice. Okay. All right. So stick it in. Turn it on. Oh, Sticks, you're good, man.
Oh my God, stop it! I'm returning that oil tonight.
Let's try to clean this off just in case. If your brakes feel fine, then
get
you're
that little
probably
tool.
fine.
Yeah, because my brakes
Just
are
get
fine.
this tool. I'm gonna leave it linked. Affiliate codes. So I make like 10 cents if someone buys. But seriously, get these tools. These things come in clutch because you really don't need to change your brake fluid all that often. If your brakes feel squishy and like spongy, you probably do, because that means water's getting in there. It's not as like, because it's hydraulic.
Hey, you look strong, dude. Era power.
Shit, that thing is hard. Hey, what's going on, man?
This is great.
What's going on, man? Guys, I know you guys haven't seen me on YouTube in a while. Let me know if I got any boogers. Wait, don't put the camera there.
Just so you know, this isn't just gonna be bloopers. This is gonna be the main video. Everyone's gonna be like, this is not what I come to this channel for.
Because I probably gotta use this same video for tax purposes. I'm changing my brakes. I paid a lot of $200 changing my brakes.
Right on.
Think about my cooling situation.
It's great. Who needs coolant anyways, right?
What is that for?
Yeah, what are you leaking coolant from?
I have no idea. It looks like the bleeder screw. And 55. God, this is the best thing when you work as a cameraman. Everybody just wants to work on your car.
Bro, I always said it. I don't want to make YouTube videos anymore. I mean, I've been saying that for a long time. But I just want to like record other people's YouTube videos and edit their YouTube videos. I don't want to actually like
Do them.
make them, and like have the pressure of like, oh, it didn't do well or something like that. All right.
Moment of truth.
No way.
We good.
Maybe the tool's messed up. I mean, what it also could be, if your brakes are feeling squishy, is another thing. It could just be like you have air in your system.
Yeah, there might be.
It's not just the fluid itself, so it might just be you need to like repressurize it.
It's okay.
Yeah, but the fluid itself also does look good.
Hey, she breaks when I put it all the way down.
Okay, we're just gonna trust the tool.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Isn't it crazy? I was just thinking about this when you guys all pulled up. Six has got a 4 Series, you got a 4 Series, and then JD has a 4 Series. All my friends have 4 Series. Got you, bro. Good friendship.
We're not fortunate like you can imagine.
No, bro, that's how I started it. And that's just crazy because it just shows like how I kind of like started this whole thing. All my friends were people who had 4 Series. Anyways, what are we gonna do about your car? Are we gonna pull it? Are we gonna do it in like the old school days, what we used to do?
Hey,
on the street? Or are we gonna do?
Pull it right there.
Yeah, we can just do it right there if anything.
Like, just push it right here. So
Yeah.
Well, cause I'd rather it level.
that's true.
If for just so it drains better.
Yeah.
And then also when you measure it, it's better that it's level.
Where's that?
I need a wash
Lift it
bad.
from this side.
If you want to come with me, I gotta go pick up the pressure washer from my mom's house.
Let's go.
I'm not even joking, but I gotta wash the car so
Supra?
bad. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna fit in the Supra. You can take that spot. All right, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. More. Right there, good. Oh, sheesh. That car was flying, oh my God. Vin Diesel over here.
No B58.
Yeah,
Right?
it just got.
Oh shit! My boy got the red seats. This is what my shit gonna look like.
Bro, he's always had the red seats.
I know, but I've barely seen his car. I've never seen it that often. Only seen it a couple
Did you say
times.
you're the cheap one?
Yeah, I painted mine.
Because you dyed your seats.
painted mine.
I feel like we're gonna get so many hate comments because people are gonna be like, oh, you have all these expensive cars and you guys are working on them like this. We do what we gotta do.
You think we could afford them if we take them to mechanics?
That's true. If you guys ever do an oil change on an N55, these things are crucial. These like two, oh sorry, Justin. You're draining it already? Do you know what size you need?
No, I don't know. I'm just guess.
Okay. I can pass you different sizes. What is this? Oh, these are the washers. So Justin had to re-drill his oil pan because I think someone stripped it at some. What's that? The previous owner, not Justin, stripped the oil pan and they had to re-drill it, so he doesn't have the standard size, which I always forget, but I can always tell again because of the oil in it. So it's the 17. But I think yours is like a 13 or a 14. I think it's a 14.
Thanks.
I think so.
You got that right on the spot.
Did I?
Yeah.
You know how I could tell? Because it had a little bit of oil in it.
It's leaking.
Oh.
Yeah, look. This.
Oh.
I don't know. Maybe it's the washer?
What's that?
Maybe it's the washer? I don't know.
Maybe. Could it be like the rear main seal?
Yeah.
Because apparently that's a common place for it to leak too. That's a big job. And this is why you don't buy a BMW.
Hey man, this is the biggest one we have.
What's that? The T60?
Yeah, I think that is the highest it goes.
Yeah, that's the highest. Do you need one bigger?
I think I almost stripped it. My thing.
Oh.
Because it's hard, and I don't want to keep going.
Let me see.
Because this is not, because it's supposed to be a TP60, but last time we did it with that one.
Again, don't buy a BMW. Honestly, I've thought about just going back to Hondas.
Let's see somebody fast.
Legit. Just get like a Civic Hybrid and just commute with that. And maybe like a S2000 to replace the Supra.
Might be the oil pan gasket.
You think so? Look at the
No,
coffee
you don't need to no more.
my wife made for sticks.
I did ask that.
Bro, it looks
Yeah, he
fancy.
asked that.
Who asked me that?
He asked you like 5 minutes ago.
Oh shoot, my bad, gang.
What was the question?
I already took the bolt out.
To hold the steering wheel.
Oh.
If he still needed to, he was like, no.
What happened? What happened?
Oh, and what coffee you got?
Espresso.
Is it espresso or espresso?
I have no idea.
I don't know. It's espresso, right?
Espresso.
Espresso.
Yeah, not
Yeah. Correct us down in the comments, just like everything else. Correct us down in the comments and tell us. I don't drink coffee at all. Like I don't drink any caffeine. I don't drink energy drinks.
It's
Coffee.
espresso.
I drink tea sometimes. So it's out. This is crazy, man. You did a good job, bro. That was actually good timing.
Yeah, it wasn't bad, right? Besides
No,
that
it's really
bolt
good.
that scared the crap out of me.
That almost stripped. The one that was a
Oh, look
TP60,
at it.
but we were using a
Yeah.
T60 instead. So
think
this
it's
is
that
what it
one.
looks like. Like it's almost like a T.
Yeah, it is that
Like
one.
it's like a Torx. It is this one.
Yeah, it is that
Oh yeah, I see it. It's like little shaven down. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that on camera.
This one too.
This
Look
one's
at
actually
it.
worse.
Look at it.
Yeah.
In the one spot.
So he's using a T60 instead of a TP60, which is so silly. I wonder if that's just like a BMW. Like I've never heard of TP
It's just the only difference is that it's the
more
thing-
rounded.
Yeah, it's thicker instead of
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, T60 is like thinner. It's more of like starry, whereas the other one's more like flowery. It's a good way to explain it. But yeah, no, so it's a good job though, Sticks, honestly.
We gotta put my new
Good stuff.
intake coming soon. Thank you to Keys.
Yeah.
I love you guys. I ain't gonna lie. I love you guys. And this is what's going in, guys. We got a new wheel bearing coming in hot. Yeah. They sent me a faulty one, low key.
You did the rear ones too, right?
Wheel bearings?
Yeah. You only did the front?
The front, yeah.
Oh. Alright.
It's usually the front ones that start
I think the rear ones are harder to do.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is a quick side note on Justin's car. Oh, Civic. Look at this. See? That's what you gotta get instead. A Honda. You know how much that guy probably pays for maintenance? $2.50. If you OG people remember, I used to have this custom steering wheel on my BMW 330i, and Justin ended up buying it from me. That and the paddle shifters. Such a nice, clean steering wheel. It's not as exciting as the one that Sticks has, but this is just like such a clean look. The Alcantara, the leather on the bottom, the carbon, like it's not crazy carbon, it's only this piece here. It's also the M style red racing stripe, which matches his red interior. It also matches like the rest of the carbon he's got in the interior. Yeah, really cool steering wheel. I miss that 330. It's a great daily driver. Now I daily a Supra instead.
And we're all done.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Did you put the oil in?
No, I did it.
It probably looks like I'm doing nothing to help everybody, and that's probably true. They're mainly doing this stuff. I'm helping out here and there. I'm also recording, so you guys can hang out with us. All right, we finished the oil change on the 435. All set. We even put the old oil back into these containers, take it back to FCP Euro. I think this is the old filter as well. Yeah, I think Sticks is pretty much done.
No wheel bearings installed, just putting everything back.
Nice.
I'm surprised I haven't broke an axle on that car.
JD's studying. That's what he's doing.
I'm cheating.
All right, guys, we're pretty much done. 435 is good. Other 435 never needed. Supra M3 and the 440 is all set. So I'm just gonna wrap up this video here. If you guys enjoyed it, drop it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.